Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have k times square root of k is equal to 125, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So first thing we are going to do is first we need to remove this square root sign. So for this we apply squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, it will be written as in this form 125 and its whole square. Further, in the next step, we need to use here the nice rule of squares, so that we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes k square into square root of k and its whole square equals to, this is 125 whole square. So we know about that 125 be the cube of 5 and its whole square. And now further, in the next step, we need more simplifications, and you see here in the left hand side we have, this is k square. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here k only, and this is equals to 5 cubed and its whole square. So here we need to interchange these two exponents. So when we interchange these two exponents, it will becomes 5 square and its whole cubed. And now here further in the next step, we need more simplifications, and we get k square multiplied by k becomes k cubed is equals to, here we know that 5 square becomes 25 and its whole cubed. And in the next step, we move the term from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as k cubed minus 25 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here, this will becomes a nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, we write our above equation as in this form. So first we have a minus b, the value of a is k minus the value of b is 25, and again we have a square, the value of a is k square plus ab, the value of a is k and b is 25 plus this is b square and b is 25 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write k minus 25 equals to 0, and the second case is we write k square plus 25k plus this 25 square is equals to 0. And now from here we easily get the value of k. So here we get the value of k is equals to 25. This is the first real root of the given equation. And now here, in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So in order to solve this quadratic equation, we use here the quadratic formula, and first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 25, and c equals to 25 square. And we state the quadratic formula as k equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here when we substitute all the values of a, b and c, so this will be written as k is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 25 plus minus square root of b square, so b is 25 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 25 square, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now here further in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, this is minus 25 plus minus square root of, here you see that 25 square be the common term. So when we take common 25 square here, we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And in the next step here, we need to apply this square root sign separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as minus 25 plus minus square root of 25 square into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And now here in the next step we have this is minus 25 plus minus. Here you know about that this 2 and square root are gone and we obtain 25 times. Here we again separate this square root sign on negative term and 3, so it will be written as square root of minus 1 and square root of 3, and it is divided by 2. And now here in the next step we have this is minus 25 plus minus 25 times. We know about that square root of minus 1 is equals to iota, and this is square root of 3, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two values of k. So finally we have there are three roots of the given equation, in which the first root is k1 equals to 25 with the real root, and the second root k2 equals to minus 25 plus 25 times of square root of 3 into iota divided by 2, and third root is k3 equals to minus 25 minus 25 times of square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. These are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.